used to be. I'm way skinnier now. There's nothing ever good on TV anymore. What is the point of even creating this device? There's nothing to do in life. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I'm sorry, I just have problems. I'm just so mad for no reason at all. Help me!